Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will calculate sum with using the formula wizard. So we have already seen how to calculate sum using the formula of sum, but in this tutorial we will see how to calculate sum with formula. So first go to the cell where you want to calculate your sum. So I am calculating my sum in front of grand total, and go to the formula bar which is fx and click on that fx which is insert function. Now one formula bar will be open, and you have to select appropriate function of which you want to perform operation. So I want to perform operation of sum, so I am selecting sum and clicking on OK. Now you have to select first number and last number of which particular cells you want to calculate sums. So I am selecting F7 to F20, means this, and press OK. Sum is calculated in particular cell. So this way you can also calculate sum using functions also. So it is very easy to calculate sum using function because you don't have to remember any function or formula. So you don't have to remember is equal to sum and what is the syntax of sum formula and all these things, but you can directly use function wizard to calculate sum. So this is about calculating sum and performing mathematical operation using formula. Thank you.